boys and girls, and welcome to Learning Guitar. We have Fireboy DML. He released songs recently. Hope you didn't miss that. A couple of them will be covered here on Gordon Guitar, and this one is called Back and Forth. All right. So we have 4 chords, and that is what this song is all about. We have the same chord progression that goes and rolls back and forth through the entire song. So yeah, if you want to learn this, then stay tuned on this tutorial. If you know saxophone, they play this beautiful instrument in the beginning of this tutorial, then it's a golden match here if you stay and learn the guitar and also handle saxophone. Wow, great. Anyway, let's go into this song with the capo set on the 1st fret. So with that, we're gonna go over G, B minor, C, and D. So starting with G, that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. Next, B minor. It's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret and you bar all strings except for the last E string here in the bass. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have C next. And that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then finally we have the D. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So we're gonna learn the strumming pattern here with the 1st chord, and that is G. So grab that chord and one string around will be down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so that is down, down, up, clap, down. And a couple rounds goes like this. All right, I played 4 rounds for you now, and that's what you're gonna start with the 1st chord, G. So it goes G, 4 string rounds, B, 4, C, 4, then G2 and D2. You're gonna play like that, back and forth, from the beginning till the very end, like this. G, B minor, C, G, D. Alright, so that's how you play the song, and if you think that is a bit too much work for it, you can just skip the 2nd down, so you just play down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. So just take away the 2nd down there just before the up, and that makes it a little bit easier for you to breathe in between the strummings there. So that's just some technical style or tip you can get to start easily and then maybe work your way up with the full string here. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tune.